Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine are anti-malarial drugs used to treat several forms of malaria. Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine are under investigation for the potential treatment of COVID-19. Both of these drugs are from the same class of drugs. Dr. Kwesi Grant once served as the director of the National Malaria Program.
Hydroxychloroquine, its chemical properties is different to chloroquine, but they do the same thing. So there's the same family of drugs. But here in Guyana, we use chloroquine to treat our Plasmodium vivax malaria infections.
Last week, the Pan American Health Organization PAHO published findings from a rapid review on COVID-19, chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine research. The document stated that although there are now ongoing clinical trials testing the efficacy and safety of several medicines for COVID-19, as of the date of this document, there's a lack of quality evidence to demonstrate chloroquine and or hydroxychloroquine are effective in the treatment of COVID-19. But medical professionals outside of Guyana in some cases have been reportedly using hydroxychloroquine along with azithromycin, an antibiotic, as a drug combination.
Any treatment regimen that is implemented at the Ministry of Public Health, it has to go through our policymakers, it has to be approved by the Chief Medical Officer and all the players involved. And usually the Ministry of Public Health, they take guidance with respect to treatment regimen from PAHO WHO. So it will have to be medication approved by PAHO WHO for the use for that specific disease. And then we decide here in Guyana if we'll adopt it in our local setting.
In Guyana, chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine are both controlled drugs. In March, the new GPC pharmaceutical manufacturing company said it has ramped up production of chloroquine tablets. But PAHO is encouraging health officials to continue to treat patients based on the symptoms presented.
It's a prescription drug, meaning that you have to have a disease that is used for before you use it. It's not something like cough medicine that you can go and purchase over the counter.
According to Dr. Grant, a watchful eye is being kept to ensure there is no hoarding by malaria patients of the drug for family or friends as a means of chemoprophylaxis. Handell Duncan, HGP Nightly News.